become slightly addicted to Lego. Building an entire Minecraft empire, including the Nether, most of my house, and a Michigan M built out of, I think they're called micro bricks. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be putting together a few Lego sets. So today I was at the store and I bought 1, 2, 3, 4 Minecraft Lego sets. Obviously, I'm not gonna try to put them all together right now, but I am gonna do a few of them. So I'll grab a cookie tray. And today I'm gonna be building this one and this one. Let's start with the small one. Alright, so it's just a tradition of a struggle with packaging. I'm gonna go get scissors. Okay. Is there like tape on here or something? I don't even think there is tape on here. Oh, it's just glue. I think I got it. I got it. Okay, look at that. Let's see. 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag. And an instruction booklet. Alright, so which bag is bag 1? I have no idea. Is it? Why can't this be? Alright, looks like there is no like bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. It's just all one big thing. Alright, I'm gonna switch the camera angle so you guys can see better. And yeah. Alright, so we're ready to start building. So now we're just going to all these bags. Organize them into small piles on my cookie tray. And angle this down so you guys can see it better. Is there a dying squid in the house? Okay, there. So organized all the Lego bricks in 3 different piles. Now we got our handy dandy instruction booklet. Okay, well, time to start building. Time lapse. Like, look at this piece. It's like rubber. It's kind of cool. I got back to the time lapse. There it goes. Anything else? Nope, it's done. I think that was the quickest I've been through a Lego set. I think I went through that thing in like 10 minutes, maybe even less. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is called the Coral Reef. Oh yeah, and it has a treasure chest that I think if you spin this thing, it flies out the back. Oh yeah, it didn't necessarily fly out the back, but it fell out the back. So yeah, that's kind of cool. So this is the Lego set number 1. As I already said, the Coral Reef. It's a pretty detailed small Lego set. Ooh, I forgot to put the drown in Alex. There's no particular thing on the box. Wait, I don't even have the box, so because I tore it up trying to open it. Whoa, treasure chest fell out again. Let's make sure that doesn't happen. So yeah, this is the coral reef. It's pretty cool. Okay, so next things next, we are going to, huh? I didn't know these napkins were sticky. Alright, so next we're going to be doing this horse stable, like I said. It's not the biggest one I have. This one's definitely the biggest one right now. I've built bigger ones before. Alright, so same cookie sheet. I need to clean up all the extra parts. Okay, I'll just put them right there for now. Alright. So hopefully I can actually get the box open this time. I do have scissors right here, so I didn't actually tear the box right there. And the direction booklet. Oh, wait. No, there's a bag too. That was just my bad. I'm gonna put the box right here for reference. Where to put the characters. Okay, this direction booklet wasn't folded up, so it's a lot easier to use. Okay, so bag one, we're gonna be here. I'll just finish it. So that's bag one, bag two. Alright, well, I'm gonna start with bag one. I'm not even gonna open bag two yet. Okay. Push all these ones on a tray. And put the rest of these right here. And we are all set. Time lapse. Why does Alex have such red hair? Like, look at it.